Uchumi extractor plan. Uchumi not true.
Your Honor, you wish to make an application. We oppose to the accused person.
We oppose to the accused person taking plea on both counts. And the particulars is contained in the charge sheet in count 1 and in count 2. And we consider them, Your Honor, effective. And Article 50 of the Constitution.
You're saying the charge sheet is defective?
Yes, Your Honor.
Said under section?
Under Section 134, active investigating officer summoned, so that we can cross-examine the investigating officer on the ingredients that form the basis of the two counts before you. Given that he is the custodian of the investigation, he will be able to clear that the same charges cannot stand against the rely on the President Toronto, Similai versus Kibera, 2004.
Sorry, please repeat.
Similai, SIGILAI versus Republic, 2004 EKLR, where the court stated that a charge sheet that is at variance with the particulars is fatally defective. Further, Your Honor, Section 134 of the Criminal Procedure Code provides that the particulars of the offense must be sufficient and have sufficient clarity to inform the accused what he is to expect during the trial. Your Honor, the charges as have been preferred do not meet the elements that form the charge.
Do not meet the threshold. That is provided for in law to sustain the charge. The charges facing the accused person.
And the same can be demonstrated by having the investigating officer cross-examined before the accused person takes plea. Your Honor, is in that regard that we request to cross-examine the investigating officer. If the same is allowed today, we can proceed and cross-examine him today. So that the court can determine whether the particulars as provided for in the charge sheet have met the threshold to sustain the two counts. Your Honor, the accused person is out on police bond, which has ensured his liberty outside of this court, which can as well ensure his attendance as and when required, so that the court can make a well-reasoned ruling on whether he should take plea on the 2 counts as have been framed on the charge. We can take your questions.
We need to get a response from the state to look at the charge sheet. First one is a conspiracy to commit a felony, the other one is stealing. Council has not demonstrated what is effective about those charges. Speaking of application of section 89(5), but this is not a bar to end the charge sheet in the event that there is something that is defective. So for that reason, Your Honor, we will be allowed to proceed with the plea as it is. If there is need, we will amend the charge sheet at the end of the hearing.
Can I say something or the time has not come?
This one.
Okay. Participation.
Mr. Osunda.
Let me leave it to the court. That is an elevation. So, at this point.
Well, let's stick to the fact, because I'm just trying to restrict myself to the issue that you have raised with regards to whether the charge sheet is defective. As far as I can tell, the charge sheet does the particulars of the charge sheet.
Yes.
Okay. I want to go for a ruling tomorrow morning.
At this stage. It's okay.
Do you have any objection?
So we have the original with us, the original receipt, to confirm that it was indeed in the possession of the investigating officer.
Is that okay?
Very skeleton submissions to show why we're putting in the, if the court has, if the court does.
If you have any submissions, why don't you just submit? Do you have anything else to add?
Our application was based on the fact that we wanted to examine the investigating officer so that we can demonstrate what we are saying before the court.
Yes, that is yeah. I will rule on that in the morning.
Very good.
Yes. I don't think it is necessary to have those skeleton submissions. Because if indeed the particulars has failed, the charge sheet has failed, is defective, I'm sure it's something that will be able to be Distance, running a phone of 50,000 for now.
Thank you. Who else? Lady, have a good day.
You too.
You wish you.
Bagi yangu kwa pande. Kuna matena suspect si watu gani FBI? Kwa jana pia. Wamestakiwa nini?